joining us today with her new healthy and family-approved recipes for every meal of the day this school year is registered dietitian Annessa Chumbley. Thanks so much for being here.
Yeah, we've all been home together for a long time, so I've got some easy tips for you, as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, prep in advance. A little bit of prep saves a lot of time later. Second, I love to pick no fuss and make no fuss recipes, so that's what I have for you today. And then third, my favorite tip is to use quality ingredients. So my two favorite brands that I'm so excited to share with you are O Organics. I love the whole O Organics line because they're USDA certified, they're always non-GMO, and they're affordable for all, and you can trust that. My next favorite is Open Nature. Open Nature is the line I call Freedom because all of their products are free from 110 additives like artificial flavors and colors. And every product that you see me use, you can find exclusively in your neighborhood at your local Albertsons and your local Safeway, and you're gonna find those conveniently located in every aisle. So they've kind of taken the guesswork out for us. And you can get more information at albertsons.com/oorganics, safeway.com/oorganics, and then don't forget, you can shop all these products just by going in the store or get online for delivery or drive up and go.
Thanks, Annessa. For See What's Portland, I'm Nicole DeCosta.